Hello, my name is Serley. This video presentation of the volume Destroyer of the Gods by Larry W. Hurtado. This video serves as the final class discussion for class number NBST800, the New Testament background. The title of this presentation is Unveiling the Distinctiveness of Early Christianity in the Roman World. As we embark on a journey to unravel the unique characteristics that defined early Christianity amidst the backdrop of the Roman Empire. Within chapter 1, we delve into the perceptions and opposition faced by early Christians, shedding light on how they were viewed as peculiar and unacceptable figures by both Jewish and pagan critics. Transitioning to chapter 3, we scrutinize the distinct religious identity forged by early Christians, highlighting their departure from traditional Jewish and pagan practices and their inclusive approach toward diverse communities. As we progress to chapter 5, we contrast the social and ethical practices of early Christians with the prevailing cultural norms of Roman society, emphasizing their principled stances on issues like infant exposure, gladiator contest, and the promotion of a virtuous behavior within their close knit communities. Join us in uncovering the profound distinctiveness and enduring legacy of early Christianity in shaping ancient beliefs and values. In chapter 1, we embark on an insightful journey through the perceptions and opposition faced by early Christians in the Roman era. The narrative delves into contrasting views held by outsider, encompassing Jewish responses to the emerging Jesus movement, exemplified by transformative journey of Saul or Paul from persecutor to proponent. Additionally, pagan criticism, as voiced by figures like Tacitus and Pliny, sheds light on the accusations of promoting dangerous superstitions and subsequent persecution faced by early Christians. The chapter culminates in a reflection on the intellectual critic of figures like Galen, Aurelius, Lucian, and Celsus, underscoring the diverse and critical responses that early Christianity elicited within the Roman cultural landscape. Chapter 3 delves into the intricate realm of religious identity in the Roman era, shedding light on its interwoven connection with ethnic and cultural affiliations. The text meticulously examines how early Christians distinguished themselves through an exclusive devotion to one God and Jesus Christ, propelling them beyond conventional religious boundaries by exploring terms like ecclesia and the trans-ethnic nature of early Christianity. The chapter underscores the distinctiveness of Christian identity within the multifaceted tapestry of Roman society. Furthermore, tensions between early Christians and traditional Jewish beliefs surface, illuminating the crucible in which a unique Christian identity was forged. As the narrative unfolds, the discourse extends to the challenging landscape of religious liberty, offering insights into the evolving contours of faith and fidelity within the Roman context. Chapter 5 delves into distinctive social and behavioral practices of early Christianity, contrasting them with the prevailing cultural norms of the Roman era. One notable divergence highlighted is the strong condemnation by early Christians of the prevalent Roman practice of infant exposure, where unwanted newborns were forsaken to perish or be enslaved. This ethical stance reflected a profound moral disparity between early Christians and the broader Roman society, showcasing their commitment to principled values rooted in compassion and respect for life. Additionally, the chapter scrutinizes the early Christians' vehement objection to the brutal gladiatorial contests and violent public spectacles that characterize Roman entertainment, underscoring their rejection of bloodshed and violence as form of amusement, further setting them apart from the societal norm for their time or societal norms of their times. Furthermore, the narrative in chapter 5 underscores the ethical imperatives espoused by early Christians regarding various facets of social conduct, including sexual ethics, marital fidelity, and interpersonal relationships. Through the lens of biblical passages and early Christian writings, the document illuminates the ethical guidelines that early Christians adhered to, which differed markedly from the prevalent cultural practices of the Roman era, emphasizing the importance of upholding moral integrity and treating others with dignity and respect. Early Christians navigated complex social landscape while upholding their religious convictions, illustrating their dedication to living out their faith through ethical behavior and communal responsibility. The Epistle of Diognetus exemplifies how early Christians sought to integrate with their social milieu while upholding their distinctive beliefs and practices, showcasing a delicate balance between engaging with the broader society and maintaining their unique Christian identity. In reflecting on the unique beliefs and practices that distinguish early Christians in Roman society, it becomes evident that their commitment to exclusivity and ethical behavior not only set them apart from their contemporaries, but also deeply influenced their followers and the broader societal landscape. The emphasis on upholding principled values rooted in compassion, respect for life, and rejection of violence as entertainment showcase a moral disparity between early Christians and prevailing cultural norms of the time. This ethical stance continues to resonate in modern beliefs and ethical standards, highlighting the enduring influence of early Christianity on contemporary thought and practices. In conclusion, we have journeyed through the distinctiveness of early Christianity in the Roman world, unraveling its profound impact on society and enduring legacy. The unique beliefs and practices of early Christians set them apart within Roman society, emphasizing exclusivity in worship and ethical behavior that influence both their followers and societal fabric. As we reflect on the influence of Christianity's exclusivity and ethical standard, we recognize their enduring imprint on modern beliefs and ethical principles, showcasing the lasting significance of early Christianity as a religious movement. Thank you, and may God richly bless you.